gave all the nuts to Frankie. Yep. They're all gone. Where are you going? Where are you going? Sissy, come here. Smokey. You guys. Sissy. Sissy, come here. Come here. Oh. Sissy, come here. Sissy. Sissy. You little turd. You know Daddy's not here. Get down. You're not supposed to be up there. Come on. Hang on. Oh, good girl. Yeah. It's okay. She knows, but does it anyway. Don't ya? Yeah. Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy. Yeah, you don't want out there. Come here. Come here. Sissy, come here. Sister. Oh no, you got my ring. And a piece of dog food. Sissy, no. Get down. Down. Down, down. Good girl. Okay. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? You're just going to climb up there. You can't have in there. There's squirrels in there. There's squirrels. Mwah. Oh. Mwah. Busy, busy. You're just busy all the time. This is why she's so skinny. Ah! Get down. No coffee. Good girl. Back to the door. Now where are you going? Now where are you going? Get Smokey. Sissy, get Smokey. Smokey, over here. Get Smokey. Get down, you little turd. Get out of there. Get out of there. I don't know. What do you got? Okay, hang on. Oh, you can have it. Get down. Down, down. Get down. She's so scared of me. Plastic lid. Imagine that. You gonna give it to Frankie? Give it to Frankie? She knows how to open that. She's too lazy. Here she goes. You're just too lazy, aren't you? You know how. Come on. Come in here. Sissy, come in here so I can see you. Sis. Oh, man. Don't you do it again. No. No. Oh my God. What is wrong with you? Okay, she's never done that before to that door. That's as high as you can go, girl. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? You're way up there. Now what are you going to do? Oh. She wants to jump on me. Watch. Want me to catch you? Okay. Come here. Come here. You don't? Okay. That's crazy.